Oh, I did an awesome job on there. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So it's time to put on the Whitestone dome for the Galaxy S10e. This is obviously a brand that supports YouTubers, and you know, we take care of them by putting up video reviews and unboxings of their products, and that's how the game works. So let's slide everything out here. And I do have it for the 10 and the 10 Plus. Look for that later on once I grab those. But first, let's work on this one. So you got all your materials, you got everything right here. You got everything down in here. There's nothing that you won't need, and it's got it set up for you already. Now they do have this tray again, which is the one that I really like. I really like this tray for doing these installs. I did not like the other tray. You get the Whitestone dome joint UV, and you get your cable, which I don't need that, so I'll throw that aside. But I've done this so many times, man. I think it's a good look how they have it pretty much just set up for you this time. Now here's the glass right here. You want to put these over your speaker grills so you don't get anything in there. And here's the glass. You want to thoroughly clean your phone before you put this on. So with this case, this gives you some sense of how it's going to be. So it's going to cover the phone like this, and it is case friendly. So we'll get this out of this case. As you can see, I got the beautiful green. So the phone will go down in here like this, and I'm going to clean it. I'm also going to cover this up real quick after I get done with this. So let's get some alcohol wipes. They've got everything, the dust. They got everything to make this the easiest install for you, man. This really, the only way you can mess this up, I think, is to become impatient and, you know, get frustrated, which does happen. So, you know, I'm not going to say that everything is going to be flawless. But first, this one came with a screen protector installed on it, so I'm going to remove that. Let me get it up out of here. I'm going to pop it back down. I really don't have to clean this, so I'm going to go ahead and, because it was new, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to go ahead and just get my dust removal stickers. Check it. Yeah, there's nothing on there. You do want to clean it though. Don't do what I do. You do it the way it's supposed to be done. Don't do like me. You follow the instructions to the T. Let me get one of these, get these bottles out of here. I'm just giving this to you real time, real quick. So what you do is you take this one off and you screw it in here like this. Now you don't want to sit that down on there because it might come out. See, I got some dust under there now, so I'm gonna have to clean this real quick. You want to make sure you get this as clean as possible, folks. As clean as possible. Use the stuff that they gave you. I'm glad they have this type of shell back on here, because that new setup they were doing, I did not like it, folks. You want to make sure you get this as clean as possible, because any dust or anything in there, it's there, folks. It's there. Turn the screen off. I can see little particles. It's just coming back on because I have the phone powered on. I'm doing a restore. I just took this phone out of the box. So I want to make sure it's as fresh as possible. I'm going to prepare my glass. You're probably thinking, Jay, you're not even following the instructions. Well, I mean, I've done this so many times. It's kind of like, ugh. So then when you get it like this, man, you want to twist this part and it'll release the fluid. You can see the fluid come out. So my desk is a little wobbly. Put that aside. You want to get this joint right here. That goes on there. You want to put the glass on top. And then when you drop, you just slide to the center. When it hit like that, pull this out, let it drop. That's it. If you see a little reflection, it's just because I got an LED light going above. That's how you drop. If you're on an uneven surface, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I didn't cover my speaker up, but oh well. I'll get it out if I can. You want to let it flow around the surface right there. So my concern is my speaker, so I'm just going to not let it get up that far. Stay right there, buddy. Oh, snap. Real world problems, man. I'm gonna go put this joint on here, man. I don't trust it. There you go. Give man Jay out. I don't care about this, man. Let's check it. Alright. Alright, so now let's get the UV joint. This is probably how some of you guys are actually installing this. So you making mistakes like me, and you know, why cut it out? You know what I'm saying? Let's give you a real world. This is how a consumer might do it. All right, let's hit that power button. Come on, buddy. Power on. Let's see if it's in there. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, so it's gonna go there like that for a minute, and then you know what I'm saying, you're done after this. If mistakes happen, you just take the glass off and do it again. But hopefully you got it right and didn't do it like I did it. Like I forgot to put the tip on the. It happens, folks. It happens. It happens. So you just move it along a little bit. So you make sure you keep it clean. And you know, you'll have a nice install once it's finished. I'm curious to see how this is gonna come out. Let's get it turned back on. All right, let's pop this out. Oh, I did an awesome job on there. All right, guys, so the glass is on. Touch sensitivity, still the same. Still the same. We know the history of Whitestone Dome. You know that they bring quality glass. Look at that glass. That's beautiful. This time I successfully did it with no bubbles. I lined it up right. And now let's do a case check real quick. Because it's case friendly. Boom, there it is. Facial recognition, everything is on point, which means the cameras, everything is not covered. There it is, Whitestone Dome, the Galaxy S10e. It's on, it's ready.